I am nervous to do this, but excited. Nervous, but excited. Hey guys, so today we are doing a hair change that I haven't done in about almost 10 years, I think, actually. And that hair change is bangs. As you probably guessed from the title and thumbnail of this video, I will be attempting to give myself bangs today. We'll see how this goes. The last time I did this, I think I was about 13 years old, maybe 14, and I gave myself like emo bangs. I legit just cut like, I just went in there with some craft scissors and just did it. And here are some photos for you to see that beautiful masterpiece of the bangs that I did by myself almost 10 years ago. The last time I had bangs was when I was growing out my shaved head, and I went through kind of the pixie cut phases of having bangs, because that's just, you know, as my hair grew out longer, they became bangs. So I think the last time I had bangs was about 4 years ago, maybe 5. So I figured, why not? Let's do it. Fuck it. What do I have to lose besides, you know, my attractive appearance? And I also figured that I would take you guys along with me in a kind of chatty video for it, just for fun. Also because it helps me kind of work through the nervousness that I get when I'm going to do a hair change that I'm not sure of the outcome. So thank you to you guys for being here with me in spirit, also in the future after it's already done. Comment your guesses now, what's gonna happen, unless in the thumbnail you already know. I don't know what the thumbnail's gonna be yet. So first things first, I have to figure out how far back I want to go, and I also have to figure out how short I want to go. I already know that I want to do the V-bang style, and so yeah. Also, please excuse my ear tails. They just have an attitude today. I cut them short and I don't think they're happy about it. So they've kind of just been popping off a little bit. So just bear with me with those today. I'm guessing we're about 50-50 right now of this going well. But what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to put up the hair that I know I'm not going to touch, so that I can try to figure out exactly how much bangs I want. And so I'm just going to get a huge chunk here. I definitely don't want this much bangs, just to give us something to kind of work with, I guess. Okay, and I think what I want to do, I know that bangs usually kind of curve with people's faces. I think I want to do a straight across situation, just because that'll make installing my extensions a little bit easier if I have more of a grid going on. I think I might want to work off of the angle that I already have existing on my head here. Unfortunately, they are not in the same space. You know, this one starts here, this one starts back here, so let's follow that one. Alright, that's almost straight. We are really gonna see how this looks. I have no idea. Okay, I think that's good. What I will do next is just cut it short. Oh. So I think what I'm gonna do is at least just cut off the color, you know, and go from there. Alright, let's do it. I'm nervous. Ugh, okay. So this is definitely the longest I've cut off of my hair in years. Cool. Already they like popped up a little bit. Oh, this is super reminding me of when I was in high school and I had basically this look. So what I'm gonna do now actually is straighten this so that I can work with it a little bit better. What kind of sucks is I know for a fact that like the way I straighten these is like gonna affect how I cut them and how they lay and everything, and ugh. It's all so delicate. God, fuck these guys today. Okay, now for the fun part, I guess. So I've watched a lot of tutorials on people doing V-bangs for themselves, and there's a lot of different methods people have used, and I'm kind of not sure which one I want to go for. So I guess, yeah, fuck it, I don't know. Should I just use the clippers? I feel like I could just use the clippers and that's like fine. Let's just go for it. God, I'm getting fucking hair pieces in my eye. Classic, I guess. Okay, so where's the point gonna be? Doing good so far? I think I want to switch to using the clippers because I say so. I also want to like, shit is like not, we're gonna try putting some hairspray in my bangs because that just seems like it might help. Sorry, I have hair in my eye, sorry. So I just sprayed hairspray on the comb. I didn't want to like do it up in front of my mirror. Did it in the sink, so sorry that you guys couldn't really see that, but you could hear it. You're welcome. I feel like this piece is gonna bug the shit out of me. So I want to use the clippers because I've had good luck with bangs and clippers in the past. Okay, let's try it. Gotta be careful for the eyebrows. Ha ha ha. It's gonna be fucking tough, y'all. Okay, now I'm gonna switch to this because I say so. I feel like it's kind of like the, yeah. This is tough. How to get the V good? That's what I want to know. How do I get this V good? Because this is like not perfect. Yeah, dude, my V is off center. I like the look of this side, I think. Yeah, the V is off center. Yeah, look at that. That's okay. Okay, we gotta fix this. Do it so you guys can see. Okay, we're getting closer for sure. So far, I'm liking how this is looking, and now the fucking kicker is gonna be getting this side to match. Whew. I'm just gonna go for it. I'm just gonna do it. That was maybe a mistake. Fuck, because yeah, that's higher. Ah! It's like when you're trying to put on eyeliner and you just keep going higher, or like, oh god. This, How did I get that to look that good? That's what I want to know. Just because it's going this way? Fuck! Okay, I gotta even this out. Maybe I should use this comb. think I'll just have to consider my like two sides of my V-bangs as sisters and hope that this just works out. I don't know. I feel like I ruined it. I feel like it looks bad now. This looks really bad. It was so cute for like almost. It was like almost so cute. This doesn't know what it's doing and I want it to stop. I already tell this is gonna be like my least favorite part of my bangs. Okay, this is ridiculous. They're gonna get so short. Okay, that's not the worst. Oh my god. Oh my god. How does everybody do it? That's what I want to know. How does everybody do it? Very carefully, I guess. Now that's like in. That's just continuously being a bitch. I'm sure just eyeballing this is not the right way to go. That's okay. That's whatever. Okay, this is definitely higher up. So let's adjust this to match. Oh boy. Oh boy. I think that's the best we've gotten so far. There's like a little hole there. That's kind of fucked. That's better-ish. Is that better? You know what? At least, you know, this is like my good side. So if this half is the best half, I think I'm okay with that. There's always like a problem area for bangs, right? There's always something wrong with the bangs. And I think for me it's gonna be this section right here. I think on camera it looks okay. But maybe you guys can see how this one just like doesn't want to go where it's supposed to. Compared to this one, which is just like flowing perfectly. Now I get to figure out if it's even. God. Ooh, it's like not even because of this bitch ass section. I swear, every time I think I get them okay, something else looks wrong. Okay, I think this one goes higher up. Oh my god, I like can't tell. This side is definitely the worst side. Yeah, this is gonna, I feel like that's gonna happen all the time. Just be like, yeah, I have V-bangs, but they're off center, haha. Oh my gosh. Okay, I think I need to stop fucking with it. Alright, I think I'm done. I think I did it. I think I did it. I have no idea how I feel. I have no idea. Please comment down below what you think. How do you feel about this? Is it even at all? Is it like in any way even? I literally can't tell anymore. I know that they're different, and I know that this side It's like, ugh. This hair is just laying differently on my head than this hair, which is definitely causing the two sides to look different. As you can see, like this is like and this is like whoop. I just can't get this hair to move over, and I just keep cutting it, and I'm not sure if that's the right reaction, you know? Like, I don't think there's a way, I don't know, like I'm just afraid. I'm afraid if I like cut at that angle, cut that corner, that it's not gonna do what I want it to do. And that's just gonna be too much. So I'm just gonna try to leave it alone, just because I don't want to get into a position where I have baby bangs because I just kept moving everything up. So I'm done. I'm just gonna leave it like this. Definitely gonna take me a second to get used to, but yeah, I don't know. I don't know. Okay, well, cool. Done, I guess. I'll take my hair down so we can kind of see how that looks. That looks kind of weird. I was worried about how I have like a side part, you know? But what I guess I can do is this. Do some middle part shit. This is an interesting look. I think it's just gonna be one of those things where like the hair on this side of my head pops off a little bit, and the hair on this side of my head just lays flat-ish. I don't know. Yeah, fuck it, I guess. Alright, so please do not forget to comment down below and let me know what you think of this. If you have V-bangs, how do you cut your V-bangs? Should this be thicker? Should I have taken more hair out? Should I do it at more of an angle? Should it be less of an angle? Should they be shorter? Should they be longer? Let me know your full thoughts and opinions down below. And of course, don't forget to check out the hair transformation that this will be a part of. Once that is up and done and finished, I'll have it linked down below. Don't forget that you can follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I'll have the links in the description, along with my Facebook, Tumblr, YouNow, and Patreon pages. Feel free to subscribe if you're not already, especially if you'd like to see more hair stuff, more hair changes that I do. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!